Hello guys, this is Hassan Abdel Salam. Today inshallah we will talk about curtain wall systems. As we can see here, we have all three types of curtain wall systems. We can create curtain wall from wall. It's a special type from wall. We can create curtain wall or exterior glazing or storefront. Curtain wall empty will give you a large piece of glass, okay, and the exterior glazing will have the divisions, the grid, according to preset or your preference, and we can change this as we will see. And the storefront, it will divide the glass into pieces according to grids and add mullions, as we can see in here. The good news is we can convert this type to this type. Okay, we can control the spacing and the dimensions between and the dimensions of mullions and spaces. First thing, let's create storefront within a wall. Like this. As we can see here, we have wall like the wall type we have wall and another wall that is the finish. And nothing happened. We can switch to wireframe to see that we have the curtain wall inside our wall system, shaded again. And this way we can, from geometry, cut, select the wall, and after that select the curtain wall system and the other wall, then the storefront. And in this case, if you extend the wall, it will be embedded. And if you move the curtain wall system, it will be embedded. It will cut for itself. But it would be easier if we create this from the beginning. And of course, if we delete, there will no cut after that. So, architecture, wall, storefront, edit type, and in here automatically embed. I take this one and I will create this, and of course it is automatically embed, but we have to cut for the other wall. Cut wall and this one. This we can cut clearly. And the same as the other wall. Okay. Now let's work on this curtain wall and try to convert it to this one first, and after that to create mullions. We go to architecture tab, curtain grid, and we can add all segments, one segment, and all except pick. Okay. We can create here, here, one segment in here, one segment in here, according to your design. Okay, and let's delete this. Okay, let's go to south elevation, and we can create grid, we can create dimension line, and easily we can, if I want this to be equal, I can select the equal mark, and this will be equal. Of course, if I select this one and I want it to be 2.45, it will move according to your dimension. First, you can create the design what you want. After that, we can go to mullion, grid line, all grid lines, and select. This will create mullions with our design. Okay, but here's some issues we can edit. If we select the entire curtain wall and go to edit, function is exterior, okay, join condition, okay, for construction. Join condition, I want the vertical grid continuous or horizontal grid to be continuous. In most cases, the vertical to be continuous because they are the structural elements for the curtain wall. Vertical grid and vertical mullions. I will go back to vertical grid. Vertical mullion. We want the interior type to be, for example, rectangular, 30 millimeter, and the border for the vertical, this border for the vertical to be 50 by 150, 50 by 150, okay, and of course for the also for the horizontal, square 330 and 50 by 150, 50 by 150. This will be like this, and we can see here because it's vertical, so it's continuous. But this is not good. We can select border and vertical grid continuous. In this case, we have the border. Okay. Another thing, if I just want this panel to be a window, I can tab until I select this panel, and first thing to do is to unlock, is to unpin. It's unpinned already. I can make it solid, or I can make it window. From insert, I will load a family. I think we will. For this window. So I loaded this window, and from here I will find a window in here, of course, for the doors. So when you are creating doors within the curtain wall system, leave panel for the door and select this panel and create doors or windows. Going back to create the storefront and how we can control the divisions. Okay, we can make it vertical grid and horizontal grid. We can make it fixed distance, and until it's 1 meter, 1 meter, apply. And it will change accordingly, 1 meter by 1 meter, okay? And we can tell Revit that the justification will be from the beginning, as in here, or in end. It will be from here, or center, and center, and from the right and left will be, and up and down will be less. You can change the angle in here and in here. We also can use fixed number. I want 4 panels, I want 18 panels according to the design, or maximum spacing and minimum spacing. For example, I don't want panels to be more than 3 meters. So make it 2.5. Maximum spacing 2.5 in each direction or in both directions, horizontal and vertical. Okay, so it will act like this. Or I can make the layout none. Okay. Okay. In this case, select mullions on grid line, so it will continue whatever horizontal or vertical, and unpin, and I want to move this one it will be moved and aligned according to our design. So we can, if it is custom, we can change the setting from the current storefront, or we can create it from the beginning. Now let's go to our project. In our project, the villa project, we have mix between curtain wall system and windows, normal windows. For the normal windows, I think for the curtain wall, I think we might have this window. It's not mentioned, but this, of course, will be curtain wall system, window 2, and of course, window 8 and 7. Okay, at least 3 types or 4 as, and this one. And number 5. Number 5 is fixed 2 panels and door, glass door. So we will create it as a unit. Okay, and the rest will be Windows. Okay, you can download Windows from this website, BIM object. You can register easily. And you will find tons of families. For example, doors, fabrics, flooring, furniture, kitchen, HVAC, landscape, toilets, walls, different walls, signage, windows. Let's see windows. And these are real companies that can provide real windows. For example, we can select double sliding window. It will be different. Owning window like this, and I can edit, I can change, okay, different types. And it will download the specs also in most cases. Okay, so normal windows, you can search for here and download what is suitable and edit, of course, the size and so on. But now I will work on this type 2. I think it's total of from here to here 2.5, I think, and 7.8. Let's create our system. This is W2, Majlis, and bedroom 3. In here, W2. If we go to here and ground floor and make this wireframe. Save. Go to wall, curtain wall. I will start by, it's okay, storefront. We'll start from here. And cut this one, this one. And hit spacebar if you want to flip the direction. I think our direction is okay for now. The width is okay. And let's check the AutoCAD again. Height is from level, the ground level, and 7.8 meters. So in south, I have this one. I will make it unconnected and 7.8 meters. So it will go up to here. Okay. I will create the curtain wall a little bit more towards outside because of the beam. Okay, and let's see our divisions and the AutoCAD. Vertical, I want 1, 2, 3 inside panels, inside mullions, and all will be the same profile, like in here, 40, 83, 83, and 40. Okay, here we have only one. I will make it none, none. Okay, and all panels I will make 50 by 150, 50 by 150. Okay, okay. I will go here for curtain grid. I will add segment and another segment. That's nice, that's very nice. And I will select this mullion and right click, select mullions on grid line. Maybe I will change the scale. Okay, in the AutoCAD 42, 42. 42. Okay, and I think it's okay for here. Nice. And about, it's different, but it's okay. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 internal. 7 internal. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 for the internal, and we'll check the AutoCAD 0.28. I will create my, okay. I just want to check about this one. I think it's from here. Nice. Now it's okay. This grid line, I want it to be 0.28. The second one, 1.65. And third one 0.48. Point 42, 0.65. One 135. And 2.1, and this was 1.85 in the AutoCAD, but it's okay here. Small changes. Of course, we can edit this mullion to align with the beam. And so on. In here, it's meant to be a sliding window. So we don't want this mullion in here. I will delete it. First, I will unpin and delete. And I will go to grid line. Add remove. I will remove this grid line from here. So it's one panel. I can download sliding window. The window in here I have is not sliding, so I can download sliding window for the curtain wall and change it I will put this in here for now. Okay, and that's it.